Hey everybody, it's Jeff here from IDC. This afternoon we're going to be working on my personal vehicle. Even us dent guys get dents from time to time. I went to the store today to get myself a milkshake to come out to an elderly woman with her granddaughter, and her rear door was planted against my door here, which left a 2-inch crease in my door. I'm going to go ahead and repair that right now to show you how a crease can be done and how quickly and efficiently we can do it. I have a video camera set up as well that will show me actually working the crease out, and it's a repair that will take me a matter of minutes. So you as a customer coming in, we can get you in and out very quickly like this on your lunch break, in the morning before you go to work, whatever it may be. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the repair. And there you have it, 2-inch crease repaired in about 2 minutes. Not noticeable, and the only thing left to do would be to buff off the little scratch and paint transfer from the door hitting it. And that's a crease repair.